workout routine.
अपनी जिंदगी का मैं खुद बादशाह हूँ, मुझे नहीं जरूरत दो पल के सहारों की।
If I had to start my fitness journey all over again, then this is how I would structure my weekly workout routine to fit in with work and school, where we follow a 5-day split where Monday is push day covering chest, shoulders, triceps, Tuesday is pull day focusing on back and biceps, Wednesday is our hypertrophy focused leg day, aka higher reps, Thursday is upper body day. This is where we smash chest, shoulders, triceps, biceps and back, and then we finish on Friday with strength focused leg day, and then use your weekend to recover but try and stay active.
Literally, all you've got to do to gain muscle is eat protein with every meal, take 2 scoops of whey protein and 5 grams of creatine every day, weight train 3 to 6 times a week and take a rest day every 2 to 4 days. Once you hit 12 reps on your lifts, increase the weight and go for 6 reps. Then work your way back up to 12 reps again, pushing yourself to or close to failure. Drink 3 litres of water a day and have 7 to 8 hours sleep a night. Stick to the same workout plan and exercises for 3 months and I guarantee you'll see results. And the best advice for muscle growth is to follow me for more simple tips.